guardian angel. I'm forever grateful. We got all this to live for.
Ikaw, Kai, tinatanggap mo ba si Athena na makasama panghabang buhay?
Opo.
Sigurado ka na ba?
Opo.
Ikaw naman, Athena, tinatanggap mo ba si Kai na makasama panghabang buhay?
Opo.
Pinapangako mo ba na sasamahan, mamahalin at bibigyan siya ng lakas ng loob sa lahat ng kanyang pagdadaanan?
Opo.
Sigurado ka na?
Yes po.
So nawa ay parati ninyong irerespeto yung isa't isa at wag na wag kayong makakalimot kung bakit kayong dalawa naririto ngayon. So malasakit, pag-unawa, at magandang asal yung dapat ninyong ialay at ibigay sa isa't isa sapagkat ito yung nararapat.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight.
I think pinakamalaking natutunan namin sa journey na to so far is love is not just a feeling, it's a choice. Ikaw nagsabi nun sa akin eh. Ano ba yan?
I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moments of truth in your lives, when everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Isang lalaki na hihilingin ko sa ama, ikaw na. As in, di pa tayo. Sinabi ko sa ama, Ama, pag to binigay mo sa akin, lagi ko sinasabi sa iyo yun. Pag to binigay mo sa akin, magbabago buhay na.
Everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to